So guys, as you can see right now my laptop screen, I got a message from PayPal that this company just sent me $535, and the name of the company is Clevoice. You can see right now just sent me $535, and something you should take note is that it was sent September, that's day before yesterday. Yes, you've got money. So if I should come over here and reload my screen, as you can see, it's reloading. So now it's done reloading. You can see that the money is still intact. You've got money. You can also see that September 3, and you can also see that this one still says Clevoice. I just sent you $535, and I'm going to show you right now do I made that money. Before I go into the main video of the day, let me just do a little bit of introduction here. My name is Peter Tayo. I'm a software engineer, an affiliate marketer, a content creator, and I'm a freelancer. This is my channel, the Finance Masterclass, where I post videos on how to make money online. And if you are someone that is listening to me right now and is interested in making money online, either you just see me for the first time, do make sure you come over here to the red subscribe button. Do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I drop awesome videos like this. And also something I want to show you guys, also something very, very important, is that as you can see this video that was uploaded 3 days ago. I want to show you a very important comment I got from one of my viewers. $60. As you scroll down a little bit, the person says, "Thank you, Peter. After watching this video, I registered for Userlytics and got my first $20. I really appreciate it. I will recommend the channel to my friends." Thank you once again. Wow. When I saw this, I was so happy because the main goal is that every of my viewers watching me, benefits from this. That's the main aim. I don't care about the number of people that are listening to me, and I don't care about the number of subscribers I have, but I'm just trying to make sure that even the little that is watching me, even you that is watching me, should be should I make it of the word blessed? Let me make it of the word blessed with my video content. So just make sure you give this video a like once again, and just feel free in the comments box. Just tell me whatever it is, whatever you want me to make video on. Let's just relate more. So guys, having said this thing, I've said too much. Now let's go into the main website of the day. So the website I remember telling you of was Clevoice, and you can either go to Google search engine and search for Clevoice, or you just go down the description box. I've kept the link of this website already down there in the description box, so you can either click on it or come by here to Google search engine and search for Clevoice. So right now, after searching for Clevoice, you come over here and click on this one which says for freelancers, because we are going to be joining this Clevoice as a freelancer. So let me tell you what Clevoice is all about. So Clevoice is a website that partners with brands, and what you're basically doing is that you are going to be writing. It's mainly writing. That's what they do in Clevoice, writing. That's what is being done in Clevoice. So you are going to be writing for these brands that partner with Clevoice, and that's how I was able to make the money you saw. I was simply writing, and the main aim of this video is showing you the strategy of how I made that money. That's what I'm trying to show you right now. And someone like me, I have a lot of things I'm doing. You don't expect me to sit down and be writing and be composing something. I don't have that strength, I have that time. So I just made use of a strategy, something just automated it for me, and that's how I was able to make those money that you saw. So having said too much, let's just start by you putting your first name. So just put in your first name and your last name, then click on get started. After doing that, you see this page where it says how would you like to sign up. So you can either choose sign up with email, sign up with a Twitter handle, or connect with Google. So let me just sign up with my email address. So right now, let me put my email address. I have a couple of emails. So fields is required, okay? So let me put in a strong password. So make sure you put a password that you remember. Okay. I'm not a robot. I'm gonna click on chimneys. Those are basically chimneys. Chimneys. I think that's all the chimneys. So right now I'll go ahead and click on sign up. Yeah. Sign up confirmation. What's the name of this email address? Okay. So let me just log into my Gmail. So as you can see, it's logging me in. Oh yeah. So as you can see the message, it says please confirm your email. So I'm just gonna click on it right now, and as you can see, it says loading. So right now I'm gonna confirm my email. So you can see it's clever. It says a Fiverr company. Wow, I'm just hearing of that. So right now I'm gonna click on confirm email. Yeah. My email is being confirmed. So after confirming an email, I'm gonna start to complete my profile. So right now, before I go ahead and complete my profile, let me just show you guys what I basically did to make that money. So because that's the most important section of this video, to show you guys how to make that money. So all you just need to do is just to come to one of these websites. You can either come to Killer Articles or Design Articles. So depending on the topic you have been given, for example, let me just go ahead and click on this one that says pets. Let me go for dogs. Yeah, because I feel dog is more profitable. Talking about dogs, and it says, for instance, 6 steps to follow when taking your dog on holiday. That's the topic you're giving. So all you need to do is just to come over here and copy this topic. After you copy this topic, you go on another website called the Spinbats. Spinbats. So we paste the article, and as you can see, the article is being pasted. So this one says this article provides 6 suggested steps to adhere to when, and this one says this article gives 6 purposes to move towards stick to while taking your canine on vacation. So as you can see, dog is also known as canine. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and edit this, because this is a bot and it's pinned it because it's a bot. So I'm going to go ahead and manually, just make some corrections. And after doing something like this, then I'll, the number of time I do it, that's the number of time I was able to make that money. So that's how simple it is, and that's how so simple it is that I was able to make over $500. As you can see, that's how it's simple. So make sure you follow the same strategy, and you obviously get that amount of money. So right now you can see that the page is loading. So after the page is loaded, you come over here that says edit info. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you're going to edit your personal information. That's your profile. So let's start with our profile picture. So let's make sure, let's follow this. Okay, got it. 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 Now after we completed this profile, then the more we complete this profile, the more this save completion this stuff increase. So you can see. So which one do we start with first? My name is OK. Your tagline, this tagline is going to contain what you're going to talk about. What's your niche? What niche you want to talk about? So that's for all about this. So you click on edit info, and once you click on edit info, let's start. So let's just click in blog post, and just make sure you select many of these, because the more you select, the more your money. So click on website copy, article, just make sure you select all of these. And for tagline, you can be like weight loss, health. I can be like weight loss, health and fitness. Just put a lot of these. And for the side that says personal biography, actually you're not gonna say something that you're not gonna say your actual personal biography. You just gotta try fake all those things so that you can get the main thing is that you get more jobs. So just try and put some things that seem a little bit confusing. You can be like, I am a professional freelance writer. even though you're not a writer, you just put something like this, you're a professional freelance writer. And I have been writing, I've been, writing for over 10 years now. 10 years now. I basically write weightless health and fitness topic. So once you do something like this, it's okay. It seems convincing rather, but just try to make your own more professional than this, and just try and just do this because it's just a tutorial. And I would advise you guys not, if everyone that watches this video, signs up with this thing, that's not good. Just try to innovate and make your own something better than this. So for categories, you can just put SEO. Just make sure you fill out these so that the more you fill, the more jobs you get, and the more jobs, the more money. So just make sure you fill out of these, your location, set your location to the top world countries like the United States, United Kingdom, in the United States. You can just put something like this. Just make sure you put a country outside, like a third world country. A first world country, that is the United Kingdom, Canada. Just put and for languages, you make sure you can select. You can select English. You can also select French. Just have an idea in French, try to put French to bring a language that you have an idea in. That's for you. So your education can be like University of Illinois, degree, Bachelor of Science, Bachelor in Science, Bachelor in Science. So these, I think that's okay. So for my profile picture, let me just select one of my favorite picture. Let me just select this one. Let me click on open. I've actually made this picture before to sign up. For your personal website, you put your website. If you have a website, if you don't have a website, carry any contemporary website, any random website, you can put it there. https 8this.com. So content roles can be like an editor, a ghostwriter, a copywriter, a copy editor. The more you put this tags, the more your chances of getting more jobs. So just make sure that you personally, settle down, go through all these, and get it right. So then click on update. So as you can see, it gets to 50%. It gets to 50%. So now, what you have to do is that. The next thing you have to do is that you have to come over here, you put your Facebook handle, you put your Twitter handle, you put your Instagram handle, connect to, just make sure you fill up this. I don't know if I'm able to log into my Facebook account, so let me just try to log into my Facebook account. Facebook, that's fine. So let me try to log into my account. I hope I'm not forgetting the password to my account. So that being done, you come over here to say so you have to copy the link to your page. So let me just check this. Okay. So what I simply did was that I just came over here and copied the link to this, and then I came over here and pasted it here. So you can see I did that. And you can see your Facebook profile URL has been updated. So you do the same thing for Twitter, you do for LinkedIn, Instagram, for Medium, and all of these. And once you've completed that, this is going to be full. And once it's full, this place that says join the talent program would be clickable, and then you'll be able to join the talent program and start seeing a lot of jobs. So that's how basically I was able to make that amount of money. So make sure you go down there and give this video a thumbs up, or like this video, or whatever question or anything that you don't get right or that seems confusing, do make sure you tell me in the comment section. Feel free in the comment section, as I will be there to attend to all the questions. And remember, I want you to win. That's my main game. That's my main thing. I want you to win. So do make sure you have a nice day and keep winning.